quadratic equations. Example 3. Again, this is a copy of a quadratic equation I got from a CSEC past paper, and I have part of the formula sheet here showing the quadratic formula. Alright, find the roots of the quadratic equation. So, I want you to pause the video and solve this. Alright, you pause the video and you solve it. Let's see how this goes. Here, you have 2x plus 3, x minus 7 equals 4x minus 7. How about we expanding the bracket first? Right? So, let's do that. You expand the bracket, 2x multiplied by x. What I'm doing here is have each item in one bracket multiply each item in the other bracket once. But we did that in example 2. Alright, what we're going to do, you see, we're going to take all of this bracket, multiply by x, and then multiply by 7. So, we do it this way this time. You have 2x plus 3 times x, then minus 2x plus 3 times 7. Alright? Equals 4x minus 7. So you see that 2x plus 3 multiplied by x, then we have 2x plus 3 multiplied by 7 minus, it's a minus, so we put the minus sign here. So here now, x times 2x will give us 2x squared, x times 3 plus 3x minus, now we still have the brackets here, 7 times 2x give 14x plus 7 times 3 give us 21 equal 4 by x minus 7, right? So we have 2x squared plus 3x. When we open the bracket, this becomes minus 14x minus 21 equals 4x minus 7. Remember, the sign of each item in the bracket will change, you know, once you open it, because this is having minus 14x plus 21 is the same as saying plus negative 1 times negative 1 by 14x gives negative 14x, negative 1 by 21 gives a negative 21, right? So when you open the bracket with the minus sign in front of it, the sign of each item in the bracket will change. So, what you have here, let's simplify what you have on the left first. 2x squared plus 3x minus 14x will give us negative 11x. Negative 11x. Because 3 minus 14 is negative 11. Alright? Then minus 21 equals, we multiply the 4 by what we have in the bracket here. 4x minus 4 7 is 28. What we're going to do next is subtract each item on the right hand side, so we have equals 0, because we want it to look like the ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0 in the quadratic formula. So we have 2x squared minus 11x minus 21. Let's do it step by step. Equals 4x minus 28. Right? Remember, we're going to subtract 4x. If you subtract 4x on the right, you must subtract 4x on the left too. We're going to add 28. If we add 28 on the right, we add 28 on the left as well. So you see that? Now, we have 2x squared minus 11x minus 21. Now, it is a minus 4x plus 28 equal 4x minus 4x, that is 0, that is gone. Negative 28 plus 28, 0. So you see you'll get the 0 on the right. Alright? So here now, we have 2x squared minus 11x minus 14 minus 4x. Negative 11 minus 4 is 11, 12, 24. Negative 15 minus 15x. Now negative 21 plus 28 is what? 7. Positive 7. So you say plus 7 equals 0. Alright? So we simplify the quadratic equation to what you see here. Now, what we're going to have happen here, we can use the quadratic formula. Could we use factorization too? 2 7 14, positive 14. We could use factorization too, you know, right? But we're going to use just one method, and I want you to try it again using the other. Let us use the quadratic formula. You must properly identify your A, your B, your C. Your A here is 2. Your B is negative 15. Alright? You have to be careful. It's not positive 15. Just because you see 15x and you see bx, it's negative 15x. C is 7. So here now, the quadratic formula says x equals negative b. B is negative 15, so we have negative 15 plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Let's just put that in. It says b squared minus 4ac all over 2a, but b is negative 15, so b squared is negative 15 squared minus 4 times a times c. Well, our a here is 2, so it's 4 times 2 times c is 7 all over 2 times a. A is 2. So x is negative 15 is positive 15 plus or minus square root of 15 squared is 225 minus 4 2 is 8, 8 is 56. All divided, oh, let me redraw that. All of this divided by 2 2 is 4 equals 15 plus or minus the square root of 225 minus 56, just to save time. 225 minus 56, just use a calculator, that is 169. So we have 169 divided by 4. Alright? Now, what this means is that in one case, x is 15 plus or minus, oh, the square root. Alright, let's just deal with the square root part here. The square root of 169 is 13 plus or minus 13 over 4. So in one case, x is 15 plus 13 over 4, and the other case x is, it says 15 plus or minus, but in this case we're going to use it minus. X is 15 minus 13 divided by 4. So x is 15 plus 13 is what? 5 and 3, 8, 1 and 1, 2. 24 divided by 4, and x is 15 minus 13 is 2. 2 divided by 4. So here, x is equal to 24 divided by 4 is what? 4, 6, 24 is 6. And also x is 2 divided by 4 is a half. So there we have it. Our answers, x is 6 and also x is half.